everyone, it's Louise here from CrazyBorgies. I hope you're well and fine on this beautiful September day. Yes, it is Monday the 22nd of September here in the UK, and I have decided this evening that I am going to start another latch hook kit. Yes, because I obviously don't have enough to do, so why not? This one I bought many years ago now, maybe 2-3 years ago, something like that. But yes, beautiful image of this gorgeous butterfly with lilac in the background. Such fabulous colours going on here. A real mix of just numerous different colours. Really lovely. So yes, that's what we're going to be doing today. Starting a new latch hook. Okay. And this one is the same size as the rainbow one. It's 30.5 centimetres by 30.5 centimetres, 12 inches by 12 inches. So yes, comes with all your instructions, tells you exactly how to do it. It's really not that hard a craft. It's a really easy craft to do, actually, is latch hook. So yes, grab yourselves a project, whatever it is that you are currently working on, whether it's knitting, latch hook, cross stitch, diamond painting, whatever. There's such a huge range of crafts now. So yes, whatever you want to do, colouring in, beaded embroidery, yeah, you name it, it's out there, isn't it? So let's get crafting together on this beautiful September evening. And if you like my content and you haven't done so already, if you could please consider liking and subscribing and following me on TikTok and Instagram on CrazyBorgies Diamond Arts. Okay, I was in two minds about whether to start this one or whether to start a Christmas one, because obviously, you know, they take a while to do these kits. So I was thinking, well, if I start this now, a Christmas one now, it will probably be ready by Christmas. But now I'm thinking, I just didn't feel like starting on Christmas this evening. So yeah, as you can see, this is the way that I do latch hook. Okay, now you go row by row, but with me I tend to do 3 rows at a time. I do that a lot with the beaded embroidery as well, if I'm honest. Yeah, it's just the way that I work best, really. But this is a gorgeous shade of lilac, this one, and as I said, the colours on this are just, oh, they're just lovely. So yeah, and these don't take that long to do, you know, latch hook doesn't take that long to do, really. It only takes a short time, depending on how quick your latch hook, obviously. Okay, so there's a dark purple there. Whoops. So I hope you've all had a beautiful day so far. I've had not a very good day today, guys. Not a very good day at all. The car, the part that I was hoping would fix the engine, didn't fix it, unfortunately. So now the car's got to go back in on Wednesday for the mechanics to think again about what could be the problem. So I wasn't very happy this evening, and then I thought, yes, I'm going to go swimming, take out some of my anger and frustration about the car on the swimming pool. Yes. So I tried to book myself in for a swim and got told that the pool was broken. So I'm just like, what is going on? Is it like, let's hate on Louise Day? You know, have you ever had those days, guys, where it really does feel like just everything is against you? Well, that's what my day has been like today. I didn't go to church because I thought, no, I really wanted to go to church, but I thought to myself, you know what? No, I'm going to be sensible here. I'm going to stay around at home and I'm going to just wait because, you know, I could get a phone call at any moment saying, can you bring the car in? Yeah, well, that didn't happen. Didn't happen, guys. Didn't happen at all, because then what happened was it got to about 11 o'clock. I heard nothing from the garage, so I phoned them up and they're like, oh, can you call us back at 2 o'clock, please? Just called them back at 2 o'clock, couldn't get through. Called them again an hour later, finally get through, and guess what? They said, can you bring the car down at 4:30, 5 o'clock? And I'm like, oh gosh, really? So I could have gone to church after all that. And you know, the way I am at the moment with my dad's anniversary of his death fast approaching, I really need to go to church daily at the moment because, you know, I'm not in a very happy place, let's just put it that way. So I could have really done with going to church today, but you know what, I'll go tomorrow. It's fine, it's no problem. So yes, this is the shade of purple. It's really luscious, isn't it, and nice. Got some really nice shades here on this. So they're our main ones for the butterfly and cream. We've got a bit of this one as well in the butterfly. And then they usually do give you some mixture ones just in case you run out of any ones of the colours. And then the background is this lovely lilac shade. So yeah, we've got some beautiful shades here. Really nice. I'll just zoom you in a little bit more actually. They're really nice. So yeah, I've not had a very good proactive day, but you know what? Doesn't matter. Not every day can be a good day, guys. That's the way I'm sort of thinking about it at the moment. Not every day is a good day. But the car, I'm really near to the point of putting it in the scrap heap. It drives me insane, that car. I've had nothing but problems with it. And, you know, the guy in the shop, he's like, well, that's unusual because usually Citroens are good cars. I'm like, yeah, well, maybe I've just got a dud then. Who knows? Quite possibly it could be. Who knows? Oh, who knows? So this is the next shade of purple going into, just coming into the butterfly's wing here now. Gorgeous shades. Lovely. I mean, you could always just get this mesh stuff and just do your own design if you wanted to, you know. Okay. So yeah, you know, and then basically when I tried to phone up about the pool was broken. Yeah, the pool, something had happened to the main pool, so they'd shut it for the evening. So I was trying to book online and I couldn't understand why I couldn't book online, so I tried to phone them up and they said, sorry, pool's closed today. And I was like, oh no, diddums. But tomorrow will be good day, I guess. I'm sure I had a red here, but it's not red, it's like orange. And then we have this shade, and then so yeah, I was like, you know what, I've got a broken car, a broken what's it called, swimming pool, and a broken heart, guys, a broken heart as well. So never mind, things can only get better. I'm sure that's a song somewhere. But we've got to keep on smiling and got to keep on getting up and getting on with life, just so that devil knows he's not gonna bring us down, for sure. Right, is that's this shade, isn't it? I still haven't washed one of my Latch hook cushions yet. I think you would have to hand wash them though, to be fair. I think you'd have to take the cushion out and perhaps hand wash them, or put them on a delicate wash at a temperature 30 in the washing machine. I wouldn't really want to risk it in the washing machine though. Nah. There you go. And then we want this shade in. So I literally just started this one this evening. And you can see how quickly it really starts to take shape. And you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you want more purple in your butterfly, more orange in your butterfly, go for it. It's always saying it's your project to do as you want. If you want to change the design slightly or the colours, then you can do so. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on and do a little bit of latch hooking with yourselves. Say hello. Do you know, I've been at home today and I've done a bit of diamond painting. I've done a bit of cross stitch, and now I'm doing latch hooks. So I've done 3 crafts in one day. Oh geez, what am I like, eh? What am I like? I don't know. It just, some days I'm a bit like that. I float around and I think, yeah, I'd like to do a bit of that. And then I sort of get a bit fed up of it and I'm like, yeah, I want to try a bit of that now. So, yeah. Okay, that's an orange, isn't it? But I would say latch hook is most definitely one of the more easier crafts for sure that I do. And I finally found my punch needle kit. What's it called? Punch needle. I think it's called punch needle kit. Let's have a look. Actually, I'll get it out and show you. So I've only got one kit because I like to just test the water with one kit to see how I get on with it. So punch needle, that's what it's called, this little item here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try next. Sorry for the glare, guys. I'm gonna try this one next just to see how I get on with that, you know, when I get the chance. I don't know, variation is the key of life, isn't it? I guess, well, for some people. So I'm struggling because I've got this flat on the table, and usually I latch hook on my knee on the sofa, but it doesn't matter. Right, now that's the dark purple. Need to book Rio in for her beak to be trimmed. And it's my baby boy's 16th birthday this week, guys. I can't believe it. I feel like I've blinked and he's just 16. It's really strange, really strange. My second born, bless him. Okay, that's another purple. I'm hoping that I'm in frame here. What am I looking for? Can you believe I've already used a whole one of these on just these this 3, how many lines was it? Yeah, 3 lines of this, just one of them, a whole one. So yeah, they do go down pretty fast. So it feels really strange not going swimming tonight because I usually go swimming every Monday, unless I'm ill, obviously. I've been doing that since January. So tonight I feel really like, oh, what's going on, you know? And now my light on my camera's just died, so never mind, never mind. We'll pursue. I'm not going to make this video that long because obviously my phone doesn't want to. My phone is now trying to break on me. I feel like I'm jinxed today. I really do. It's one of those days, isn't it? If it's going to go wrong, today is the day for it to go wrong. Most definitely. So let me know in the comments section what you are crafting on today. Is it a diamond painting? Is it a cross stitch? Is it colouring in? Is it punch needle? Is it crosswords, word searches? There's another one, isn't there? There's that I can't say it, skibiddle or skib. You know, the one with the numbers. Yeah, there's one of them as well in the magazine. Zagoosey or something. I don't know. You know me, guys. Pronunciation is not my best. Yeah. So, never mind. Oh, that leg is a bit... You know, if one of your legs is a bit longer than the other, if you were being very perfectionist... Which one did I just do now? If you were being perfectionist, you could just go trim them all down to size like that. You could. It doesn't really bother me. I like the shaggy sort of look of the latch hook. Oh, hold on one sec, guys. I am back. Yes. It's nothing exciting, guys, unfortunately. There we go. Let's get some more of this out now. So for those who need reminding, it is just literally folding your yarn in half like so, putting it through the loop, okay, and then you take your hook, you put it into the square above, okay, then as you bring it down, your latch will start closing, so you wrap in the tail and then you pull and it knots it onto the mesh like so. And then, you know, the more times you do it, the quicker you get. And I think the fastest I've ever done one of these latch hook projects is probably about 2 weeks. I haven't ever done a rug yet because I don't like the idea of spending all my time making something for people to walk on. I don't know, I'm a bit funny like that, you know. I'd rather do something that's going to be hung on the wall or used for comfort, but not walking on the floor. And they've got some really nice rugs out there, but it just does not appeal to me at all. So have to excuse the background noise, guys. Kiddies are at home. So yeah, you know, I won't be having my car all of Wednesday probably until they find out what's wrong. But as I said, we're coming into winter now, so I really need the fans working properly. And it's really strange because that car is turning 10 years old this month. So it does seem a bit coincidental that all these things are going wrong with it. There we go. Get some more of this lilac out. It's always fun when there's like quite a few different colour changes to do this project. The one that I done recently, the unicorn, had a white background, and oh gosh, I did get a bit fed up of doing the white. You know, it's not the most exciting colour, but I got there in the end. Hoping that I'm in camera shot and the frame is okay. There we go. What have I done there? No. Don't know what I did there. It looks different. For done, it looks a bit odd, that one. Okay, I think I might have looped it into the one above, perhaps, accidentally. There, that's better. I won't be able to link this one in the video description box, unfortunately, because it's so old, this one. I purchased it at least 2 years ago, this kit. I've placed an order with Painting Fairy cross stitch as well, so that should be happening soon on the channel. And also I'm going to place an order with Paint Some Way as well. And I've got a new to me cross stitch company as well that's sending me some products as well, so that's good. Okay. I mean, with this one, if you have enough left over, you could always oh gosh, I've dragged the one behind. You could always do a funky little different coloured different colours around the edge if you had enough left over, obviously. My daughter's already asked me, my youngest, she goes, who's that cushion for? Who's that going to be for? I never said anything about turning it into a cushion, but I probably will, because the one that I just made with the unicorn, that one was a 2-pack. So both the cushion and the cushion cover was 2 packs, both from Amazon. So I probably will turn this one into a cushion as well. So, right, coming up to the last few of this one now. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video of this new start. And obviously I will keep you updated as and when I do more of this particular project. Okay guys, so take care, God bless, and I will speak to you all soon. Okay, thanks for watching, and thanks for your love and support, and for spending time with me this evening. Yes. Okay guys, let me just zoom you out completely. There go, that's what it's looking like so far. So yes, there we go guys, so fluffy. Take care, God bless, and I'll speak to you all soon. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the colours of this beautiful kit. Okay, bye for now. Bye.